Agira, Sicily hinterland, a village perched on a hill that has seen the inhabitants of the Stone Man followed by 10 Sicilian dominations up to us. Today, here with a drone and the Ego Pro. 3,000 odd years. The history of this place is so ancient. Here was born Diodorus Siculus, just before the year 0, one of the most important historians of antiquity, that traveled left and right, arriving in Egypt. Can you imagine starting from Agira, center of Sicily, riding a horse and arriving in Egypt? Wonderful thought. What is this? An ethno-anthropological museum. Let's see.
We represented the ancient trades. It is one of a kind because we put dummies that represent the Sicilians at work, as if they were still here with us. It's true, I have never seen anything like it. There is the Quartararo. He is the one that made the containers to take the water. That's Ugandaro, which is the toilet with the lid, as they used it in ancient times. That's the way it was once. This is the tinsmith, with a beautiful black cupola.
In siciliano, lo stagnataro.
Here are some beautiful photos. The country school with the sheep's parked, the broom vendor, a farmer burned by the Sicilian sun.
Here we have the wood shop. Look how nice. He really looks at work right now, with his hair soiled with sawdust.
This is the barber. Everything happened here. The guitar was played. He was also a dentist. He had leeches to pull the sick blood. The barber at Christmas gave the scented calendar with the naked ladies, so one could imagine what he wanted. Can you believe the Sicilians? They put perfumed essence on calendars with undressed women. Look, this is the spittoon.
Nel caso qualcuno aveva bisogno di sputare, più o meno. Questa è una macchina del pistiere.
Professor Torrisi, this is an antique blender?
No, this was to get his enema. He put a little of water and a little of oil, and he put it in the butt.
Hey, what are these big underwear?
They are the clothes of the first nights. Luxury women's clothes.
I understand. How time just changes. Then Professor Torrisi takes us into another room where we see a wonderful plastic model of Agira in cardboard and polystyrene. We remain open-mouthed. Wonderful! Then we close it, we thanked him, and continue our journey.